Hi, my name is Alex, and today we're going to learn how to solve all of the FLL game challenges. Today we have 4 key ideas. 1. Hot swappable subsystems. 2. Solving multiple challenges with one system. 3. Optimized path for time efficiency. And 4. Minimize use of extra motors. Alright, let's elaborate a little bit. 1. Hot swappable subsystems. You should be able to drive your robot back to you and swap out your mechanisms to perform different tasks rather quickly. 2. Solve multiple challenges with one subsystem. If we can utilize one system to solve multiple of our game challenges, we can spend less time per challenge. 3. Optimize path for time efficiency. The least time you can spend going from point A to B, the more effective you're going to be at completing the game challenges in the time limit, which is important to complete all of the game challenges.
To further illustrate our example of hot swappable subsystems, we have a robot with a mechanism. Now it goes out and does one of the challenges on the field, and now it's come back to base. In order to optimize doing all of the challenges, I can quickly swap this subsystem with this one in order so now I can go out and do a different challenge and get more points.